Let's install your new Kichler chandelier. Follow these simple instructions and we'll have your fixture up in no time. Before you begin, we recommend gathering a ladder, an extra person for assistance lifting the fixture, and any tools suggested in the printed instructions. And don't forget the light bulbs. All the hardware you'll need is included in the box, as well as warranty information. Be sure to disconnect the power at the main circuit breaker panel or main fuse box. We recommend you get a no-touch voltage tester to ensure the wiring is safely disconnected from the power. Start by removing the existing light fixture. Then confirm the wires coming from the ceiling are black and white. If they are not, we recommend calling a certified electrician. Make sure to keep the printed instructions handy. Each fixture has unique instructions you can refer to along the way. Attach the new mounting bracket to the junction box on your ceiling. Attach the fixture to the mounting bracket. Thread the wires up through the mounting box. Depending on if your fixture will hang over a table or centered in a space, you will need to determine the proper hanging height. Once you've determined the height, you are ready to connect the fixture wires to the wires in the ceiling. Simply make ground connections with all required parts and wires. Connect the white and black supply wires. Some fixtures may have excess wire. Carefully tuck the remaining wire, making sure it doesn't get pinched. Raise the canopy to the ceiling and secure it with the included mounting hardware. Carefully secure the shades and appropriate light bulbs for your fixture. Finally, turn the electricity back on at the breaker box and turn on your new fixture. Congratulations! You've installed your new Kichler chandelier, and it looks amazing! Enjoy your new Kichler chandelier.